Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and our top 6 mods, each for under £100. We would love to throw a huge budget at each one of these, of course, but sometimes we do just want to see if we can get a quick, easy win. These are our best top tips for making those affordable changes to improve your ride. So in no particular order, first up for me is going to be the charcoal canister. The charcoal canister sits just behind your left calf on the bike. It's not required once the bike has left the factory. It has to be there for all the Euro's emissions in order to get the bike produced. All it does is take up all of the evaporated fuel and soak it into charcoal. So it's not required. It looks ugly, it's weighty. We don't need it on the bike, get rid of it. In order to replace that on the bike, you are looking at an incredibly minimal cost of a Protect cover, which is going to cost about £1. We have a tutorial for this. It has the part number for that part. Go on to find that on the rest of our YouTube channel and get that done. Number 2 for me is going to be the mirror delete. So when we put bar end mirrors onto the end of the handlebars, which is an extremely popular mod, it leaves those horrible stalks on the handlebars. BMW produced a different bracket here, or a different clamp here, for the Bmw R9T Racer that will cross-pollinate onto any of the 2017 to 2020 and 21 onwards, so with the Gen 2 and the Gen 3 as we refer to them. It will get rid of that horrible stalk. They come in at £29 each. It's a very, very simple, easy mod that you can do at home to make sure you just declutter all those handlebars and give you nice clean lines on the bike. Coming in at number 3 for myself is the BMW servo motor flap, getting rid of that basically. It's a very, very heavy unit, both the motor and the flap that are on there, pretty much so that it's snapped shut for when you're riding through town. And as you open the throttle, it opens it up. So really, it's not doing an awful lot of job at all. I would get rid of it both from a weight saving point of view, and it allows the bike to have a little bit more noise. Flap delete pipes are simply a short pipe that replace the flap. You can get those from many different brands. All of them come in at under £50. And then you need on a 2017 Gen 2 or a 2021 onwards Gen 3 bike, you will also need to make sure you get a servo buddy coming in at just under £50 too. So a really good, smart, gives you less weight, so it's a bit of performance, and it also gives you some better noise for under £100. Another really good, quick and easy, cost-effective mod are handlebar risers. So if you're finding that the bars are a little bit too far forward, maybe playing on your back and such, risers are a really, really quick, effective way. We do both the Wunderlich and the unit garage risers that are basically a 20mm block that sit just under your handlebar OEM risers, and they'll just bring that bike up a little bit more to make maybe longer distances and commuting a bit more comfortable. For the price of around £50 to £60, it's a really good mod for under 100. Another wallet-friendly mod is going to be replacing the OEM filter with a DNA or K&N alternative. So the filters come in at around about the £50 to £60 mark, and they're going to increase the airflow to the bike, give you better performance. It's just a real quick and easy win. Also, we've got tutorials on how to do that on the rest of our YouTube channel, so check those out. And finally, an aesthetic mod, which is getting rid of that big pillion frame at the back. Obviously, if you're not going to be taking a pillion, this is designed by BMW to be lobbed into the bin or into the garage, and just to totally open up the rear wheel, rear end of the bike and make it look super sporty. The only real costs involved there are going to be an exhaust bracket. We highly recommend the unit garage one at £75 because it suits the bike, it matches the frame, and it gives a really nice finish. There we go, that's our top 6 mods for each under £100. Check out our tutorials in the show notes below and on our channel. Most of the stuff that I mentioned there has got a tutorial on there, so you're not alone. We're here to hold your hand as you get those bits done. Check out our next one in a few weeks.